Alpha and Omega. Today we are going to pray because I had a revelation. This revelation have come 2 times. The thing of God this morning, I saw where they are sending children, primary school children, out from the school and tell them to go home and get their coronavirus test and vaccine. The thing was, the children were going, they were not happy. Everybody were leaving the school. And I knew this is the plan of the witches and wizards. People that want to cage the world. And I want you to know that their interest is Africa. They want to control us. They want to cage us. They don't want Africa to rise. They don't want people to rise up and tomorrow and say, enough of this mess. We know their game. We know their plan. They want to control Africa. They want to have our resources. They want to do whatever they can do to make sure they depopulate us and they know how many people that will live here. But I know that human being can never predict and tell us how many people. It's not possible. We know that coronavirus is real. We know that people have been treated and they. But what is it that will make them to close the schools and churches and tell people to go home and children must get their vaccine? This is another thing we don't know. Malaria have been killing us here for years, but no vaccine for malaria. A lot of people have died through diabetes, but no vaccine for such. S has been here for too long. But everyone should know there is a game going on. But I know that the master of the universe, God will never allow their plans. Listen, I want to tell the church this morning, if I be a prophet of God, when this thing started, I released in this altar that it's not going to kill us here. Is it not what I said? People are dying all over America, but I said here in Africa, God will show his mighty power. We don't have hospital, let alone facilities. God has proven that is God, and that God is about to work again. Today we are going to pray that their plans, this is God's battle. We can't disturb ourselves in this matter. There's a situation that you don't kill yourself. God, come and fight. You tell him this is your battle. If you want the Europeans to finish us, it's left for you. If you want them to close schools and churches and people will die in anger, but I know if government try this one again here with anger that I'm seeing in the spiritual realm, you will see what will happen. If they try to close the hospital, the schools and the churches again, businesses, because the kind of problem that will rise here, the politicians, they will slaughter them and their family like never before. Mark today's date. Today's 24th, right? If they try it, every one of them and their generation will be wiped out, because the spirit will rise up and take over the youth. People are not happy now. People are not happy. We know that these people are evil. They don't have interest of an average man. Their interest is for them to give them money, and that's the reason why we must pray. I released a prophecy last year, 2019, 1st of December, and I told you that the Yorubas and the Northerners will fight. I said it here. What are you hearing now? We are going to pray now. Let the fire rise again. Yes, because I want them, because if we allow these Fulanis, they are going to finish it, because they have one goal and one mission, is to finish everybody, to take our lands. If you go to Europe, you will see them. They have one WhatsApp. All the Fulanis all over the world, they have one line. They communicate, they have information. Their goal is to take Africa, to take Nigeria, and they will not succeed. We are going to pray that God will equip the Yorubas, the youth, anger in their spirit, because that is our work here. Every time you see me standing here to release prophecy, don't joke with it. I told you that there will going to be problem between them, that we are going to look at them and watch, and that's what will happen now. We are going to pray this hour. Before we do